Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can split screen on the Samsung phone. Okay, first of all, you can select applications that you want to open in split screen view mode. And for example, I'm going to open my calendar application and my calculator application at the same time. So first of all, we can open one of the application that I want to open in split screen view mode, and I'm going to open my calendar first. So we can tap on the calendar and we can tap on this recent button. Okay, and we can tap on this calendar icon, and there will be several options for us, and we have to select open in split screen view. Okay, and for the second application, since I want to open my calculator, so I'm going to click on the calculator application. Okay, and now as you can see that now my screen has been splitted, and you can adjust the position by tapping on this line. You can long press on the line and you can drag it up or drag it down like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can split screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.